Hello dear students, welcome to my computer science class. Today we will discuss the chapter number system. We have already discussed the introductory part of this chapter in which I have explained the different types of number systems. In this part of number system we will discuss about the conversions from one number system to the other number system. So conversion to and from other number systems. So first of all, converting a decimal number to binary number system. So let us take for example a number 42. In decimal format, if it is in decimal format, we will write a base 10 to it, and we want to convert it into binary number. So first of all, for converting a decimal number to a binary number, we have to divide. Whenever we are converting a decimal number to any other number system, we have to factorize it or divide the number with the base. That means here the base is 2. So we have to keep on dividing the number. We have to use the repeated division of number 42. So I have written 42 divided by 2. So it will be 21. Write the remainder separately. The remainder will be 0. Then again divide the number by 2. Remainder will be quotient will be 10 and remainder will be 1. Then again dividing the number with 2, the quotient will be 5 and the remainder will be 0. Dividing the quotient again with 2, it will come out to be 2 and the remainder will be 1. Then dividing it with 2, the quotient will be 1 and remainder will be 0. Then dividing with 2, quotient 2 zeros are 0 and the remainder is 1. So we have divided the number by 2, that is the base, and the quotient we have divided till the quotient becomes 0. Now write the numbers in reverse order. Write all the remainders in reverse order, starting from the bottom to top. That is 1 0 1 0 1 0. This is the binary equivalent of number 42. So 42 in binary number system can be written as 101010 with the base 2. Students, want to show you one thing. Till here also, if you are completing the steps till here, then also it's fine, but then you have to write from here. You will write like this: 1 0 1 0 1. Then also the answer will be the same. So you can bring down the quotient till 0, or you can bring down the quotient till 1. If you are bringing the quotient down till 0, then you have to write just the remainders, because 0 at the right side, at the left side does not have a value, while if you are bringing down the quotient till 1, you have to start writing from here 1, then 0, then 1, 0, 1, 0, like this. And this is your number. So I hope you have understood this conversion. We have solved more conversions in the exercises part. You can see the examples of conversion which I have explained in the exercise also of this chapter. Now let us see how can we convert a binary number to decimal number system. So let us take a number like 1, 0, 1. So the first step is to write the place value of each digit. So the place value of ones place is 2 raised to the power 0. Since it is a binary number, so we will write each place value. You can write the place value here also. You can write numbers from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. If there are more digits, you will keep on writing like 3, 4, 5. And you have to write the place value. How can we find the place value of this digit? The ones place digit, for the ones place digit, the place value will be 2, that is the base number, raised to the power 0. Then this number, the place value will be 2 raised to the power 1. For this number, the place value will be 2 raised to the power 2. So now, this is the first step, finding out the place value of each digit. Now, multiply each digit with its place value. This is the digit. The place value is the face value of this digit 1. You have to multiply it with the place value. So you will write 1 into 2 raised to the power 0. And in the same way you will write the values of each digit, and you have to add those digits. So this is the value of this digit. Then for this you will write 2 raised to the power 1 multiplied with 0, because at this place 0 is written. Then for the third place, that is here, it is 1 and the place value is 2 raised to the power 2. So you will write 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied with 1. So students, I hope you all know the how to find out the value of 2 raised to the power 2. What is the value of 2 raised to the power 2 or 2 raised to the power 1? So 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. So it comes out to be 4 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 5. So 101, it is a binary number, its equivalent in decimal number is 5. So student, I wanted to tell you one thing, the raised to the powers. Maybe if anyone is little doubtful, I'm explaining it here. Any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Then if it is written 2 raised to the power 1, that means 2 written once is equal to 2. If it is written 2 raised to the power 2, that means 2 written 2 times. 2 into 2, that is, and it becomes 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So the 2 raised to the power 3, or which we call 2 cube of 2 is 2 written 3 times with the multiplication sign in between. Which is equal to 8, and so on. So you can find out the value of 2 raised to the power 4, which will be 16, then 2 raised to the power 5, which will be 32, and so on. So now we can test whether we have understood binary to decimal correctly or not by testing the this number 101010, which we have converted from decimal to binary. If we convert it back, this binary number, to decimal number, and if the answer is 42, that means we have converted it correctly, or the way to convert the binary to decimal is correct. So let us check. So now we have found that 101010 was the binary equivalent of number 42. So let us now convert it back to the decimal form. So first of all, writing the place value. It will be 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 4, and 2 raised to the power 5. Now multiplying, the next step is multiply the place value with the respective digits. So it will be 2 raised to the power 0 multiplied with 0 plus 2 raised to the power 1 multiplied with 1 plus 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied with 0 plus 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied with 1 plus 2 raised to the power 4 multiplied with 0 plus 2 raised to the power 5 multiplied with 1. So it comes out to be 2 raised to the power 5 is 32 plus 0 plus 2 cube is 8 plus 0 plus 2 raised to the power 1 is 2 plus 0, and the total comes out to be 42. So we have checked our answer also, that we have converted it correctly. So this was all about the conversion from decimal to binary number system, and then binary number system to decimal number system. This is the decimal equivalent, so we will put inside a bracket and we will write base 10. This is the base 2. This is bracket. So thank you, students. In the next lecture, I'll tell how to convert a decimal number to octal number and hexadecimal number system. Thank you.